In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this fun birthday card with the Birthday Bonanza suite. Here's the card, the cute pom-poms, the ribbon, the paper, the stamp set, and the dies are all part of the suite. I'm going to start by showing you the paper and the dies because the dies can cut out some of the images in the paper. For instance, this toucan right here cuts out the toucan, and then the lion cuts the lion. Here's the koala, can cut the koala. There's a little bit of a trick with the lion. You want to cut the mane and the little piece of the tail first. So it'd be like this. Cut that first. And then use the body to cut the rest. So super, super cute paper, lots of fun designs. And the dies, of course, also coordinate with the stamp set, Birthday Bonanza Buddies. And you've got the same animals and some sentiments. It's super cute. So I'm just gonna put that aside here, and then we'll get started on our card. So I've got some of the birthday paper here, so I'm just going to adhere. Did I already adhere it to the card? I did. So I'm just gonna put this on the card too. And then I'm gonna stamp on this tag. This tag is part of the dies, and it also has these cute little banners too, so it'd be fun to do a card with those banners. So I'm gonna use a stamp from the So Sentimental stamp set. This calls for confetti right here, and it coordinates with these Stitch So Sweetly dies. These are my favorite dies right now. So go to my website, eStampin.com, and check it out. This is the March hostess code, so you can start. I'm doing it a little bit early, so you can use that code. So I'm gonna stamp that at the bottom, and then I'm gonna stamp the balloons, the strings for the balloons that he's holding. And then I'm gonna stamp the confetti. I'm gonna do that in Calypso Coral. The confetti here, and I'm just going to do it all around where the koala would be. And now I'm going to adhere some ribbon first. This is the Daffodil Delight ruched ribbon. I'm going to use about this much right here, and I'm just going to take both ends and tuck them through the hole while leaving a loop on the other side, and then I'm going to grab the other two pieces and tie it through. And see, I always think I need more ribbon than I really do, so you can probably cut the ribbon shorter, save on ribbon. Okay, so now I'm going to add the koala and his hat. So I've already stamped the koala. There's a stamp for his body, and I did that in Smoky Slate. And then there's a little stamp for his eyes, nose, and mouth, and I did that in black. I also have the balloons here, so I'm gonna add dimensionals to those too. So for the koala, I'll use a regular size dimensional, but for the balloons and the hat, I'm gonna use mini dimensionals, the little ones. So I'm gonna add the koala first. Try to make it look like he's holding the balloons. Then I'll add his little party hat. Here's his little party hat. And then I'll add the balloons. So this is the Calypso Coral, so I'll kind of put that close to him. And then this is the Daffodil Delight. So I will put that down here. And then this is Bermuda Bay. And I will put that, can I fit that over here, or should I do it up here? I think I kind of like it right here. Or maybe a little bit higher. Yeah. And then I'll just add some dimensionals to the back of this. Just do 2 in the middle. it over to the side a little bit. And then the best part is I'm gonna add these cute little pom-poms. This is part of the suite as well. And I'm gonna add some mono liquid glue to his hat. I'm gonna do quite a bit. I mean, not a whole bunch, but more than I would normally do because these pom-poms take a little bit of time to stick and dry. So I'll put the Grapefruit Grove one in the middle. And I'll add a Poppy Parade one over here and a Bermuda Bay one right there. Kind of push those down, and then I'm just gonna not touch this card for a while. I'm just gonna let it dry and let them go and stick on. So just be aware that you want to make sure these dry really well and stick on really well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this card. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can check out all my videos and all my latest videos. And you can also watch my Facebook Lives every Tuesday at 9 Pacific time on my Facebook page, facebook.com/Elaine'sCreations. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.